Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Unreal Engine 5 mannequin into third-person shooter kit in Unreal Engine 5.3 or in general Unreal Engine 5. So this is end result video. So as you can see, it is fully working Unreal Engine 5 mannequin, and yeah. So let's get started. Alright, first we need to add Unreal Engine 5 mannequin third person template to the project. So this is Unreal Engine 5.3, by the way. Add feature for content pack. I think that's the name. Third person. So we'll get this character over here. Add to project. There we go. Yeah, I think it's done. So I'll create a new level, so it'll be faster loading, faster testing. Okay, and I think, well, not this. I think this was added by, this is part of the, well, that part of this, there we go, of this content pack. Here we have Queen Simple, and it will work. The process is the same for all of these type of characters that are, you know, based on the Unreal Engine 5 mannequins. So it's pretty much the process also for all Unreal Engine skeleton structure characters, right? So let's see the bones, and yeah, there we go. It has more bones than the regular mannequin from Unreal Engine 4, but that won't be a big problem. So let's go to the folder where it is manny, and assign the skeleton of, sorry, here, skeleton, assign skeleton from mannequin, or we want one from third person shooter kit. And as you can see, there is missing bones, but that's fine because they'll be added in a moment. Accept, yes, and it will invalidate the data because the bones are missing. That's fine. Let's click yes. And now most likely all the animations need to be saved, and the skeleton, and it wasn't assigned yet from what I see. And yeah, as you can see, it's still using ABP manny. It doesn't have, let's go, open on the second. It doesn't have access to the animation from third person shooter kit because we have to do it again now with the proper joints. So let's go to, I will modify it, save everything just in case, as it was, the animations were updated. Okay, great. Oh man, I lost it. Here is skm manny, yet again skeleton, assign skeleton, and mannequin from Unreal Engine 4, and here it is. We have the bones already. Accept, and now no error. So let's save it. Well, actually I will save. Oh, nothing else is modified. That's great. So let's open skm manny again, and we can go to animations. Well, here it is, and as you can see, it's Unreal Engine 4 mannequin, and it goes very funny. But don't worry about that. Let's switch to manny. It's also not great. So the workaround for this is just restart the editor. Okay, so after restarting, let's reopen the animation again. Let's go to animations, and as you can see, it's all fine. And also we need to change to skm manny. It's all fine. Except he's quite stretched. So let's fix that. Go to skeleton tree and options view, show retargeting options, and here change everything above the spine, everything above the pelvis to skeleton. Recursively change it to skeleton and change it back to animation, and now it looks good. All right, so now let's go to content browser and check what needs to be saved. The skeleton needs to be saved. That's all good. So what else we need to do? Yeah, we can test it already. New level, basic, and play. Oh, of course, we need to change it in Blueprint itself. So let's go to base player. Or actually, we can make a child blueprint and change it there as you like. All right, and here it is, viewport. That's the guy, and let's change it to, damn it, what was the name? SKA Money. SKA Money. Money simple. Yeah, the materials are from mannequin, of course, so let's reset them to default, and there you go. So now that looks better. We need also a physics asset for this guy, the proper physics asset. I believe there is one, but we need to update it. So let's go to SK Money and look for physics asset. It's called Pay a Mannequin. I will change that name so it won't be confused for regular mannequin. Okay, what we need to do here is add a body for the root bone so the ragdoll will work properly. So show all bones and root, and add shape to the root bone. Here it is. And collision response, set it to disabled. And that's pretty much it. Now let's go to content browser again. So we have this selected, and let's change the physics of this mesh to one from money, not from mannequin, right? So mostly it's done. What else we need? Yeah, let's play. There we go. Looks solid. Yeah, it is. It still has the meshes from the because it's from the mannequin itself. So here is a visor and added these additional meshes, cyber eyes, whatever. You can align them if you want, or you can just delete them. Left ear, right ear. Yeah, you can align them as you want, use them, or if you want to have it pure, you can remove them. It's okay, and also we need to change it for AI. So let's go to base AI character. AI character base, there you go. And there it is. You can use in contrary to Unreal Engine 4, you can use both mannequin and Unreal Engine 5 money at the same time if you want. Like you could have one character this way, one other way. SKA money. There you go. Reset materials. Okay, and physics asset. Let's go to money. There you go, and save. Okay, let me check one more thing for the mannequin, if the physics is also signed here. yeah, proper physics is assigned. Okay, we need to, so let's go to features level for a moment. And there's one more thing. Oh my God, maps, features, map. Yeah, save. Because dissolving won't work properly because we need to assign the material, material function to material. So let's see what will happen now. Yep, so it's in the level. And yeah, as you can see, he's not disappearing. So let's fix that quickly. So let's go to manny, SKM manny, and there should be material over here, my manny 1, 2. Let's open parent and mannequin. Oh my God. And easiest would be to copy this over from other material. So I go to mannequin and look for SKM mannequin. Here it is, asset details, material. It is already here. It's all about this, TPS Kit hide with dissolve function. Let's go back to add mannequin from Unreal Engine 5. And we need to change a couple things. One is changing to material attributes, but the connections will, if I do it now, the connections probably will be cut. So let's first make attributes, make material attributes. Whoops. And just, rewire these things. It was metallic, right? Metallic, specular. Okay, let's select that, and it is masked already. Use material attributes. Now connect end of this. Sorry, between of course needs to be dissolve function. We can add it to any material. That's the power of material function. It just needs to be blend most masked. Okay, so let's go to features map. Yeah, there you go. So it looks like it's properly disappearing. So I'll just kill myself. Yeah, the shaders are compiling still, but yeah, it's appearing properly. Yeah. Okay. So pretty much that's it. There is a couple things I know that needs to be improved, which is holding of the gun and the recoil of the shotgun. As you can see, it's a bit off. So I will pause the game. I pressed pause on keyboard, F8 on the keyboard, and unpause again. So it will stay in a aiming mode. As you can see, it's a bit off. There's a number of ways that you can change it. You can go to data asset of that weapon, of shotgun, and change the position of the mesh. So let's go to the shotgun. Here, this mesh. Here it is. You can make offset for aiming and for non-aiming pose. So that's option 1, and I've showed this in different tutorials and in the documentation. But also what you could do is change it in post-process grip. Let's go post-process grip post-process data asset. This data asset can be assigned to per character, per different for AI, different for player, or different characters. So let me open that. For now, everything is disabled. Well, but let's look for two-handed weapon, and we want to enable bone offset for offset for gun bone. Fortunately, it's working real time. So let's do it again. Support shotgun. Okay, so it's a bit off. So here I'm enabling this for 200 weapons. Enable debug view, and for location I can quickly change the location of the gun bone. Whoops, I lost it. Sorry about that. All right. Yeah, but I don't think it needs to go up. It rather needs to go forward. Wrong axis. Sorry, different. As you can see, front hand is updating also because it is assigned. It is attached to the socket on the bone, on the mesh of the. Sorry, on the socket on the mesh of the weapon. So I guess this is much better. And let's go to IK settings and aiming state. We want front hand to be adjusted. I think that's the one. I'm missing something. Here, because of course it's the IK is enabled and it's overridden, so it's holding the weapon. We need front hand IK offset settings, so it'll be added to it. And we need aiming state front grip offset. There you go. So we can add IK to IK, or add offset to that IK, I would say. I think I'm going wrong direction. Yeah, I'm not going to do it perfectly. It's just to show the tool. So video won't be super long. Oh man. Yeah, so in real time you can change the pose of the arms. That's great. Save it. And we had, what else? And you can do it for all weapons, for all states. You can see that now for non-aiming it's a separate state, so you can adjust this. And in the future releases, the post-process grip you'll be able to assign it per weapon, so you'll have total control how the weapon lays in hands. Also, I can point you out to the recoil animation. As you can see, it's a bit off. So let's see that. So the hand is a bit off. So let's adjust that. And one more thing, I will disable the debug view, so it will not abstract. So the animation for recoil is, let's find it in anim data player. Yeah, which is the list of animations for player, and shotgun recoil. And here it is, recoil montage. You can update any animation additively in editor here, so that's great. Open asset, and let's add that shotgun mesh to the gun bone. IK handgun, add preview asset, shotgun SKM. Here it is, so we'll see it better. And actually I think we don't need to see all these bones. Okay, actually no. Or I could see only selected, doesn't matter. All right, let's go to the first frame. here it is, AK handgun. We can just move it like here, and actually let's disable this and align it better. Right, so it will fit better to the hand. The reason why there's this offset is because the Unreal Engine 4 skeleton and mesh is a bit different than this one, than Unreal Engine 5. So there will be some artifacts. So let's see, it goes up. Yeah, let's counter that here, key and save. And at the end, I think, whoops, bit of like that, maybe some kind of rotation still. Yeah, so more or less it fits. Key and save. You can adjust it better. I'm just doing this quickly to show you the tool. There we go. Looks better. Still the debug is enabled from post-process grip. Let me disable that. Whoops, that's not this one. Post-process grip. Okay. A couple more things is the button panel. It will be off because it's a different skeleton, but we can adjust it. So this is like a default button panel interaction. So you can see it's a bit off, but you can adjust it. Well, you can adjust the animation itself, but remember you can adjust it in interaction location, for example, by moving it a little bit forward. Let's go back there and it should be better. Yeah, maybe a little bit too much, but you know the drill. And another thing is ladder, that it will be off a little bit. So I can quickly show you well, I will place a new one. Quickly show you how to adjust it. Here it is. It's also real time. Okay, as you can see, arms are off, and but we can adjust it like same like different animations. Let's go to anim data and look for ladder and ladder idle. I believe it is left hand up, so I think this one. Yep. So same like with any animation, like it was with recoil, you can, well, wrong tab. Here it is. You can adjust it to fit to your skeleton, to the mannequin, from Unreal Engine 5 to the animations that you find off. If you will be using ladder or these animations, of course, in your project. So let me select the what that will be. Well, I can't hit it now. Clavicle right? No, and that will be upper arm, and whoops, we can adjust that. It will be a little bit higher. And I think I need this window bigger. Let's change it to word space, that will be easier. Okay, let's add a key. Save. As you can see, it's already updating over here. I messed it up a bit. I think I could change the lower arm better. Maybe like this. and add a key and upper arm. Oh, actually it looks pretty good already. Oh, no, that's lower. Oh, that's nice. You've done. Oh, actually it's decent already. Yeah. Oops. So yeah, so you can in real time adjust the animations like that. That doesn't look right. Okay. So of course the left hand is still off, but I'm showing just the tool. So I won't do it now because the video will be too long. But you know the drill. Just if something won't work, you can always write on Discord. There's one more thing that we could adjust, which is and I play it in 16:9 ratio in the window. Whoa, to see it better. I don't know why the window was so small. Oh man. Okay, let me full screen this. Hopefully the performance won't break. But the idea is that when there is no space, the camera goes back, and and character goes to blocked pose, right? So we can adjust that camera, that offset. So let's look for FPP camera, and let's set values like, so this is the one. So I think decent values are like -43 and 5. You can adjust it as you like, right? As well as you please. But I think that's good values. So this is to prevent the camera clipping through weapon. So let's go to wall. Yeah, looks quite okay. Let's check the rifle. Yeah. I have some hitches because also recording is open. I hope there is no let's test it in editor just in case. I know how it will look like because it's not 60 by yeah, so this will be the proper window, non 4K, so the performance is better, I think. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not clipping, but if you don't like this offset, you can of course change it. Yeah, that will be it for Unreal Engine 5 Mannequin. Pretty much that's the same workflow for any skeleton mesh that has a structure from epic skeleton structure. So yeah, so you can use this workflow for your skeletal meshes too, or if you have skeletal meshes that are based on the Unreal Engine 5 Mannequin, you can change it and to this one, and then you will have easier time to import animation for it and integrate. And if you have any questions, you can always write on Discord channel. All right, good luck.